Hello everyone, welcome to my channel God's Own Vlogger. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video. Today we are going to talk about JAWA's new retro motorcycle named JAWA PERAK. JAWA has redesigned a custom bobber style motorcycles that roamed the streets in the late 1970s. Now, it does look like the JAWA Standard for the most part, but rear end of the PERAK is completely new. The motorcycle sports a new sub-frame which holds the tan leather seat and a monoshock fitted under the seat for that old school style. We are expecting JAWA to offer the pillion seat as an optional accessory. Moreover, the tail lamp is fitted on the seat while the turn indicators are on the rear fender. Bike, the production version is likely to be entirely blacked out and gets absolutely zero chrome parts. If JAWA decides to keep the same styling for the production version, the PERAK is sure to be the most distinctive looking bike in its class. In the case engine specs, the JAWA PERAK is built on the same double cradle frame as its siblings. However, in between the frame is a bigger, 334cc, single-cylinder engine. The motor churns out 30 bhp and 31 Nm of torque, a whole 5 bhp and 4 Nm more than the other two motorcycles. Some parts are same with other two models to reduce cost. Excluding the monoshock at the rear, the PERAK shares the same braking and suspension hardware as the JAWA Standard. There are the telescopic forks up front and single discs at both ends with dual-channel apps. Instrumentation is also the same with an analog speedometer and fuel gauge along with an LCD display for the odometer. When it comes to pricing, JAWA had already announced the pricing of the PERAK last year and pegged it at 1.89 lakh rupees. This price tag positions it at a premium of 25,000 rupees over the JAWA Standard, which costs 1.64 lakh rupees. For more information, check the description box.